to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
I didn't know she was a lady.
Yes, ma'am.
So the Ring doorbell is a way for you to be home all the time, so to speak. You will receive notifications when there's some sort of movement in front of your front door or whatever door you have it at. Most of the time it would be the front, obviously. And you can also speak to a delivery person through the app. So if somebody delivers, say, an Amazon package, you can tell them, hey, leave it back on the patio, or, please try another day, I'm not home, that kind of thing. So we're really excited for to be able to communicate with that person, but it also makes us feel a little bit more safe. So as you can see, we're getting a lot done. I'm normally the sidekick person. I'm not normally the person who does it. Dad's laughing because it's true. I'm the
I have a comment
supporter.
for Ring doorbell.
What's your comment for Ring doorbell?
You say that we have everything that we need in the kit, but you don't even include a flathead screwdriver.
Okay.
One, two, three.
They got your
Hashtag lies.
Lies?
I
no.
said to say hashtag lies.
Let's try it again.
1, 2, 3. Hashtag lies. Here's our existing doorbell. It looks ugly and more ugly.
And then we'll just see what's going on.
Yeah.
He looks just like the picture.
Oh, perfect. So we're getting ready. Actually, Grace is getting ready to install the Ring. What is this called?
Connect the Pro Power Kit.
Oh, the Pro Power Kit for the iRing doorbell. Let's see if we can figure this out.
He said if we don't have a doorbell that works, then we should just have an unwelcome mat. Tell people they're unwelcome here. Don't come here. This is not the place for you. If you don't live here, you're not welcome.
Good thing I live here.
Save it. But I think it's gonna get demoed.
They're nails. They are nails, aren't they?
Yeah, what's
They're not screws.
Whoa. I think I got soot in my mouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bye, old ass doorbell.
Oh.
Stay in the 80s where you belong.
So the question is, see the side of our house. Oh, Dad repainted our number, by the way.
Oh, it looks so good.
Brown.
We shouldn't be showing our number, should we?
Well, they don't really know where we live. They just. Do you? Don't come looking for us. 8 to blend, or dark to pop against the
Yummy.
light. Dark. Okay, looks like we're going with chocolate brown.
Here.
Whoa. Should we have goggles on?
That would be good. Let's see your little anchor.
Probably would be good. That doorbell was made in the 80s.
So was I. Shut up.
Oh, that thing's shiny. Oh, the reveal. Yeah! Yay, the doorbell is off and it's sunny. And we forgot our sunglasses.
California, Maryland.
Oh, right. We're trying to make it more even.
We're in business. Time to drive this thing into this wall.
Drive it home, Daddy.
Drive it home, exactly.
So we actually added this extra plate. It was a level that was included. It's lighting
Welcome
up!
to Ring.
So we're putting the final faceplate on it. We decided to go with the chocolate brown. I don't really know that's what it's called, but we're naming it chocolate brown. Looks legit. And it matches our front door.
Okay, let's see who's home.
Oh, hi! Welcome to my nicely secured front door. Come on. Oh no, there's a burglar at my front door. What am I ever going to do?